Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the conditional formats. If you come to the home button, there is a conditional formats. There are a lot of options are there to use. This one will be just a colorful option that will be shows your values in different formats like high, low, you want to in the cell value if it is if it is having a high, low, medium, we need to give in a different values. If it is high, we need to show that in red fill, and if it is low, we can show it in green. If it is medium, we need to show it in yellow. So welcome. Now we will see the values, how we can do that one automatically. If you go there, there will be conditional format. You can go and create a new conditional format. In that you can find a format cell that contains, means the meaning is that if the cell is having a value that is in the range between some range or not, between the range or equal to that or not equal to that, or greater than or less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal. For example, if you give equal to, the value is same high, the same. If it is same value is matching the value, it has to be filled with red. Okay, and the font to be, you can decide the font will be bold and black or any other colors. If you need, you can change the colors also. Then give and mention it. Okay. Okay, what happened? Why it is not matching? Why not matching? Because maybe the space or something will be there in that, so it will not match. If you have to be match, the exact value need to be there. If any small space or any dots or anything different, if you give, it will not be matched. Okay, same formats can be, you can give it to all the cells. For example, if you need to apply all of these, you can manage, just edit these cells and you can select from which cells it needs to be. Okay, can make the same thing and applies. It is from M13 only it is been selected. If you need to more cells, you can make the same like editing, or else you can delete these rules and apply a new rule for these all cells. Create a new cells and new rules and cell value containing equal to high HIGH. If it is high, the fill to be red and font to be black and it has to be in bold. Give OK, then then click it and apply and OK. That's it. If it is high, that's why it's making red. If you make all are high, then it will be all will goes to red. So now we need to give another condition. If it is low, values contain, the cell is containing the value equal to low, then you can give the format cell fill is green color, and then you can give the formats will be the same black, or even if you need different colors you can give it. No, we are going to give the fill is green color and the font will be automatic bold black with the bold. See why it is not going. Again there is a space issue only. So wherever you give the space, it will not work. So always may ensure that there is no space in this letters. Exactly what you are typing, that needs to be that needs to be matched with that same cells. Otherwise it will be not equal, then the formula will not be applied. Then the last option, medium. So we can give this color for yellow. Medium means in between, that's why we are giving yellow. And the same for font also, bold, italic, or anything you can want, you can give. That's it. Why it is not matching, I don't know. There is a space, always the space is there. So if you want to change in between any of these cells in different way, you can pay special the value or type the value. It will be change it into that colors. So these kind of formats will be used in the action trackers, so you can identify what is the status or what are the critical activities. You can filter like all the red lines will be the critical activities, so you can filter, you can identify the critical jobs. And the same can be applied for the completed, in progress, to be start, like what are the activities will be there, it started, completed, and to be start. So you can give new rules and cell value contain that is equal to, you can say completed means you can give us a green fill, and font will be the same, it's okay, then give okay, then again new rules. You can give the cell value contains equal to be start, and it needs to be in red. No, now we are font will be same black or something will be good. For the fill will be the best, you can give as a red. And if you give one more rule, that is contain equal to in progress, which means we started, we not finished, in between we are there, so we are giving it into yellow. Same thing, if you can paste it, I selected all the rows, that's why you can do it anywhere. You can just paste special, you are doing the paste special. If you do in somewhere else different place, it will not work paste special. But if you copy and paste with the format, it will be works. But if you do it in paste special, it will be applicable to run in the same where are the selected area you did. Means if you go and check that from formula, you can identify that it is selected for the pp. Means pp means the total area, the selected from top to bottom, anywhere from one to the ground. If you go to the last, maybe it's in lakhs of numbers, so you can type here. Again it shows green in progress, it will be applied to all the cells. Okay, yeah, that's it friends, thank you for watching. Keep comment, I will do something better day by day, and it's our initial stage. Yes, of course we will do go to the advanced levels. Yeah, thank you very much.